Exercise 7C. First problem. Resolve x square by x minus 1 of x minus 2 into partial fractions. See, in this problem, see the degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator, both have the same. So, this is a improper fraction. If you divide the coefficient of numerator by coefficient of denominator, we get 1 and 1 plus, and we have to write the existing partial fractions for x minus 1 and x minus 2 using rule number 1. So, let us solve the problem. This can be written as x square upon x minus 1 times x minus 2 equals to 1 plus a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2, where a comma b are the constants. Those constants are to be evaluated now. This x square by x minus 1 into x minus 2 equals to, here x minus 1 into x minus 2 is the LCM. So, x minus 1 into x minus 2 multiplied with 1. So, x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus, this is a of x minus 2 plus b of x minus 1. Now, this gets cancelled. We have x minus 1 of x minus 2 plus a of x minus 2 plus b of x minus 1 equals to x square. Now, since this contains x minus 1 and x minus 2 are the two linear factors, the 0 of the x minus 1 is 1. So, let us substitute x is equal to 1. So, now put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. Here a of 1 minus 2 equals to 1 square. This is minus a equals to 1, which equals to a means minus 1. A value has been obtained. So, to find out the b value, here see the 0 of the x minus 2 is x is equal to 2. So, let us substitute x is equal to, that means indirectly put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, now we get this become 0, this become 0, b of 2 minus 1 equals to 2 square. This is b equals to 4. So, as we know the a and b values, replacing a value and b values here, we get the partial fractions. So, hence x square by x minus 1 of x minus 2 equals to 1 plus a means minus 1. So, minus 1 by x minus 1, whereas b means 4. So, 4 by x minus 2. Hence, these are the required partial fractions. Second problem. Resolve x cube by x minus 1 of x plus 2 into partial fractions. Let us observe the degree of numerator is 3, but whereas degree of the denominator is 2. So, it is a improper fraction. So, first we have to change into proper fraction, then we have to find out the partial fractions. So, okay, first of all, let us simplify x minus 1 times x plus 2. X minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. So, this equals to x square plus 2x minus x plus x minus 1 into plus 2 minus 2. Now, let us divide this x cube by x square plus x minus 2 to make it as a proper fraction. So, let us divide. X cube is divided by x square plus x minus 2. Now, x cube divided by x square is x. So, here x into x square x cube plus x square and minus 2x. Let us subtract it. So, minus plus, these two gets cancelled. We have minus x square and plus 2x. Now, minus x square divided by x square, you get minus 1. So, minus x square and minus x plus 2. Again subtract, the sign changes plus, here plus, this becomes minus. X square gets cancelled, 2x plus x 3x and minus 2. So, using division algorithm, so this can be written as x cube by x minus 1 times x plus 2 can be written as x minus 1 plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Say equation 1. Now, let us find out partial fractions of this proper fraction. So, let 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. This is as per rule number 1. So, now this can be written 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 times x plus 2 equals to here x minus 1 to x plus 2. So, a times x plus 2 plus b times x minus 1. Now, here both gets cancelled. We have a of x plus 2 plus b of x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 2. First, let us substitute x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. So, we have a of 1 plus 2, this becomes 0, 3 minus 2. 3a equals to 1, a equals to 1 by 3. Now, here let us substitute x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 2, what will become? This a of x plus 2 becomes 0. So, now b of minus 2 minus 1 equals to, this is minus 6 minus 2. So, minus 3b equals to minus 8. b equals to 8 by 3. So, now from equation 1, we will get required partial fractions. From 1, here x cube by x minus 1 of x plus 2 equals to x minus 1 plus partial fractions of this one, that is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. So, 1 by 3 of x minus 1 and plus 8 by 3 of x plus 2. Hence, these are the required partial fractions.